The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai. Welcome back to Second Anna, where I'm stuck with you guys, and we are always smiling. So yeah, woke up to look at these bushes here, and it's amazing. It's really amazing. Keynote. So last night we slept in this little tiny house here, and we turned off the AC because it was pretty cold. It's a very big AC for such a small unit. I mean, they can't buy them any smaller. However, we turned off the AC and we didn't have to turn it on for the rest of the night because the temperatures of this room is very cool. So I really like that about the place. But of course, yeah, the mosquitoes are bastards. When we went outside, when I went outside to walk Vanilla, yeah, they came out. So like I mentioned in the video before, if you haven't checked that one out, please go and check it out. That yeah, make sure you bring your bug spray. The Airbnb host would also tell you that as well. Do not skip that part. So we're just here getting ready. Jilly, where about this one for the mosquitoes? Where about this one for the mosquitoes?
So I put on my shirt. I can't even have a shirt, but I wear the shirt here with Kurt and you will go carry Miami. Put on my shirt, guys. Okay, if you want to see me and I don't see my bone, mind your business.
When the mosquitoes see that little vest, I'm gonna say, work it, girl. What's up with the bun?
My bun?
Yeah. Where is the bun? Guys, last night Jilly threw it upon me and she go, catch her. So I was just like, yo, the jump, you know, like, I do not appreciate wigs or anything like that. For people who need to wear them, for example, Jilly at the moment, she I wouldn't say needs to wear one, but what happened with your hair was, what happened? Tell them again.
Check out what happened on my video on Jilly Beans. See it here, guys. I'm trying to grow it back. That's a long and short, so it's not, you know, the back not so long, but I want it to look neat, so you know.
Okay.
Hey.
Jilly.
See, yeah, man, just bring it up for the fun of it. You have to show them the good, the bad, and the not so ugly. Catch ours.
Oh my god.
Let's go. Send daddy bye.
Guys, we are about to head out on this hike, and of course we're definitely taking our coldest water bottles. That is super important to bring along whenever you're doing any form of, you know, physical exertion or stuff like that. Remember, check the links in the description box. You guys will get discounts to getting your very first bottle, and of course every single bottle that you guys buy is in support to the channel, so we can do more videos like these. And primarily it is a freaking cool bottle. You guys seen how many different colors I own. This is the another one that I have, and Jilly put ice in there from yesterday. Check it. Crazy. It's amazing. Of course, you might be able to get other cold bottles, but this one, let me tell you, the quality has been phenomenal. I've had my bottle for over a year. It does not leak, still keeps things super cold. And you guys see, I do a lot of outdoor adventures where the bottles get banged up, and yeah, doesn't really have scuff marks to that. Yeah, it's pretty great quality. Anyway guys, let's head to this waterfall. It's actually a hidden waterfall. I don't know if many people know about it or if it's named or anything like that, but it's only on this property. So of course also check out this tiny home, and yeah, enjoying the vibe like we did. Let's go. I call Mr. Oakley, everybody come down. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. So this is another one of the cabins. This one is big. It's pretty big. Looks pretty luxurious. Yeah. And we're just passing this on our hike. Is it possible? Can we look inside?
No, we don't have the key today.
Oh no. Can we window shop? Can we window shop? Look through the window.
Downstairs?
Yeah. Yeah. Wow. This one is gonna be a very good one. I'd come here to stay.
This one not bedroom. This one master bedroom. This one.
Wow. Wow. Yeah, it's really nice. I wish.
There's another one, you know.
Let's take a look around the sides if we can. I see like there's there's a decking. Is there a pool? Oh yes, there's going to be a pool, yo.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
Right, the money I got all. It's gonna be super expensive for here.
I look like they stay here when they come.
Jilly,
Yeah, man.
why you bringing them come?
You realize? I'm wondering if it was my imagination or maybe them related to the ones in my Calvies.
Oh my gosh, look at them.
I realize that the phone never follow me. Guys, look at now. Look behind me. I mean, I understand the chickens are following me everywhere I go. Like, watch out. No, sir. This not.
So I'm calling my next time. Maybe you want to live in a glass house down
Throw stones.
So you see, the glass house is trying to just like the big house.
Yeah.
The big house also is a glass house.
Yeah.
And so the person coming up here and the male, male and assistant. And the female,
The female was the one in charge,
yeah.
doing her thing.
So you could imagine.
Right.
So the side,
Okay.
you have to be careful.
Wow. It's cold. Wow, you can hear the falls, guys. Yeah. Good thing we were on. Okay. Wow. It's beautiful. Wow.
Somebody from our estate done this far. So the only person who attend this farm is our estate person. And you are the only one who booked the place now, so basically just go alone.
Okay.
That's it. So you can enjoy yourself as long as you want to stay here until you're ready to leave.
Okay.
But be careful while going down, especially if it's raining.
Okay.
Because the stone's a bit slidey, so you have to take the fast.
Okay.
And just stick it out, stick that you can swim under. But don't go under too much because it may be good.
Okay.
So swim under and you can hold on and take your nice lovely pictures and enjoy yourself and have a wonderful evening.
Appreciate it.
Alright, good. Maybe when you come back down there, don't
I'll see you. You won't be there?
No.
You'll be here tomorrow? Okay. All right, so we have made it to this waterfall here, and yeah, it's said by the owners that it can only be accessed if you come to this Airbnb because it is a part of their property. Let's talk about the hike. The hike wasn't very difficult. It was probably somewhere between a 10 or 15-minute hike. Of course, the rocks are a bit slippery. I have encountered far slipperier than those. And yeah, make sure you wear some long pants. If you have long sleeves, you can do that as well, just to, you know, get rid of some of the, you know, the scrapes that you can get. But again, I've been through tougher bushes than these. This one was pretty easy. And yeah, we have the waterfall to ourselves because we're the only ones at this Airbnb at the moment. And even if other guests are here, yeah, it's not going to be that many people. So we are going to whip up some breakfast because, yeah, we haven't had any breakfast. And like we mentioned, there are not many restaurants around to get something to eat right away. So on the menu, we're just going to do something simple, some garlic bread and some coffee. Enjoy this waterfall here and just have an amazing time. Guys, you are going to want to come to Portland because, kid you not, Portland has some of the best riverways, some of the cleanest waters that you can find. And the people, the vibe, the atmosphere is next to none.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was alright up, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had afforded, just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, start feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's so
All right, guys, so we just set our garlic to do a little steaming on it really quick. That's probably the hardest part of the dish. So I had to put some wood to give it some height, you know, because it was burning. As strong as foil might seem, yeah, fire will burn straight through that. And yeah, let me tell you, I can't wait to have this garlic toast, but especially that Blue Mountain coffee. And I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm going to mix it up with some of the Ghanaian coffee as well from the Volta region. If you guys never checked out those videos, I'll pop it somewhere up there so you guys can check it out. And of course, support the website Soai Studios. You guys can go on there and get little items from our little travels. You know, show some support to the channel and also some of the vendors that are out there creating amazing crafts. But guys, drop it in the comments and tell me what you think about this waterfalls here, and would you like to come? And don't forget, drop a like on the video, because we're putting in all this work to show you guys some of the beautiful parts of Jamaica or any of our travels that we take. Yo, let me tell you, this one is super amazing because we have it all to ourselves, baby.
Is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house. They held my soul from the trauma we didn't get it down.
Some of that Ghana coffee. And some Blue Mountain coffee. So we have a little foil paper stove and it's toasting them pretty decent. Yeah, that's a vibe.
Coffee, garlic bread, for the limited resources that we had out here and for what we were able to get.
Alright guys, so my coffee making skills are going through the roof, right babe? I don't lie. I've gotten a lot better at making a pretty good cuppa. Yeah, I think the key is the French press, baby. So right now, I have some coffee. I already had my bread already. It was pretty good. And we're gonna head into the waterfalls and chill a little bit and then call it a day. So, are you ready to jump in these falls with me? Let's go.
Guys, I remember when I just met Steven, right? Yeah. He would tell you, oh, he's not a tea drinker. He don't drink tea and he don't drink coffee. I'm gonna go in house and guess what that check me up. Not in there for make tea, not coffee. Look at him now. Coffee connoisseur. Cheers to Steven.
Oh my God! Feels good! It feels like I'm the coldest! Woo! Come on, guys! What are you waiting for? Ah, come on, it's not that cold. Let's go. Come on. What are you complaining about? You're in Jamaica. And when you're in Jamaica, this is what we do. We get them all wet. Let's go.
This is when you tell me that you're different.
Why are you okay?
This is when you try to make me fall. Convince me it's true, but you didn't even have to try. 'Cause you could start a fire without a spark.
Wasn't that bad after all, right? Wasn't so bad.
Forget what I
It
told
gets
you.
better.
Forget all
It
about
gets
that
better.
tonight. Just remember the flame. You remember the flame. Forget what I told you. Forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame. You remember the flame.
Guys, if you love content like these and you like when I pull you into the water, drop a like on the video. We definitely appreciate that. Anyway, we're gonna enjoy some more of this hidden, beautiful waterfalls. It's not so hidden anymore because I showed you here. And yeah, we'll catch you when we get back down to the little tiny home. If you like tiny things, then the tiny home could be pretty amazing for you if you've never experienced being in such a small space. Anyway.
If I'm flying straight into the sun, blinded by the light I'm chasing. And maybe you don't know for sure that you can start a fire without a spark. Forget what I told you. Forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame. You remember the flame. Forget what I told you. Forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame. You remember the flame. Forget what I told you. Forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame. You remember the flame. Forget what I told you. Forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame. You remember the flame.
All right, guys, so in a nutshell, today has been an amazing day. I mean, you guys were there with us, you have seen the experience, and yeah, What else can we ask for? Being out here in Portland, as I always say, is one of my very favorite parishes, especially if you love rivers and waterways. Also, if you guys love content like these, I mean, the least that we ask for you guys to do is to drop a like on the video. It shows a lot of support to your content creators. You know, leave a nice comment if you also choose to do that, and share the video with your family and friends, because really this whole journey for me is on a personal level to explore as much of Jamaica as I possibly can while we're still young, and at the same time I want to show you guys our experiences so that whenever you book your tickets out to Jamaica or you decide to take a weekend off from work here, you have a more educated idea of where you want to go to and what the experience could be like. So that's been the vibe. And of course, shout out to one of the most amazing bottles out there. You guys can hear. There is ice still in this bottle from yesterday morning when we left out, and there's still ice in there at this moment now. So that's amazing. Again, the link is in the description box where you guys can get yourself a bottle. And of course, that also goes into support of the Soai Vlogs channel, because every bottle that you buy, I do get a small kickback, so we can take more trips like these and show you guys some more awesome and amazing places. Anyway, guys, again, thank you so much for making a job for a YouTuber to be like such a dream. I am so blessed. I'm so happy to be able to, have something as fortunate as this. But we'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.